too long we've been downtrodden, since the days before Culloden. Now the Union Jack has fallen, and our time has come at last. We will stand together bravely, face the future strong and squarely. With open hand we'll greet ye fairly, and we'll welcome one and all. Seize the day and seize the hour, Scotland's people hold the power. The Union's over and Tories cower, neath the Saltire flying high. Seize the day and seize the hour, Scotland's people hold the power. The Union's over and Tories cower, near the Saltire flying high. Fought by some as English chattel, bought and sold like simple cattle. We've marched to war and fought their battles on some distant foreign lands. Sons and daughters left the hillside or the water on the high tide, some by ships born on the Clyde side, building nations far and wide. We're not too small, too poor or stupid to survive, and we will prove it. We'll build a land that we are proud of, where no one is left behind. The heart of Scotland is beating stronger, superior. We are no longer callous foes, and with a hunger to see this all